Abhinandan. I'm living from my hotel in the downtown area. This is near the Congresso, and I'm going to the periphery. Okay, at the end of the Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires. This is Abhinandan. Okay, for tomorrow it is 10 days in Buenos Aires, and lot of interesting things happen. I met Mr. John, am I right?
Yes, Mr.
John and his wife I met yesterday in the ISKCON temple, and he's dropping me to the new location. That's an advantage when you go to the temple. You meet people who are very friendly and very helpful. Okay, and I met another person also. His Indian name is Kamlesh Chaitanya, a Argentinian person who loves to come to India. I'm shifting to his place, and this is an outskirt of the city, so I can concentrate. Here it is a distraction. Here it's a very tempting distraction in the downtown. And there also it's very nice, very beautiful and lovely people. But I went on Saturday to the temple. Today is Monday. Okay, 2nd February 2020. That is the where place for Oblix is there. Oblix, the landmark of Buenos Aires. So Saturday I went to the temple. I met a person. I just went over there to ask where I can get a good accommodation. You can search on Facebook also, Airbnb and all, but I won't know those details. So I thought someone would be very friendly, and one person told you can come and stay. But mine is about 1.5 hours away from downtown. I told I like it because downtown I've experienced for the last 10 days. It's very nice. Evening crowd will be very nice, beautiful people. But I want to focus on the work right now, on preparing a lot of things. I've done a very nice video. Don't get frightened by the length of the video. But any business video, if you want to understand in detail, you have to spend 2 hours time. Why does Tony Robbins or why does anyone else conduct a nearly 2-hour to 3-hour Zoom meeting? Okay, you should have the patience to watch the video on a laptop or on a computer when your mind is fresh. Let me talk about that, because when your mind is tired in the night time, you will feel sleepy and the video will become like boring. It is not a reel or a short. Reel or a short will be releasing a dopamine, okay, inside your brain. So you'll be alert. I have also experienced it. When I'm watching some business video, in 10 minutes I feel sleepy. But if I continue watching the reels or shorts, I won't get sleep for another 2 hours time. So I watch business videos fresh in the morning with a cup of coffee. I've given the instructions. So I want you to watch it. Okay, what is that? Sugar.
Whey protein.
Oh, whey protein. Yeah, very good. So he's from Colombia.
I'm from Colombia.
You're from Medellin? Medellin or Bogota?
No. My city, Cúcuta.
Cúcuta. Okay.
Cúcuta. Yes,
okay.
Frontera.
Okay. He and his wife, I met his wife.
And Venezuela.
Oh, okay, correct. I've seen the Cúcuta. Okay, yeah, people told me you can go to Cúcuta. Okay, that's a border between Venezuela and Colombia.
Venezuela, Colombian. Sí.
Okay, yeah. So his wife speaks good English, and Kamlesh Chaitanya introduced me, and it is very reasonable. Okay, so these are, I want you. Why you have to earn an additional $3,000 per month apart from your dead-end job or a burdensome business? And if you have a dream or a goal to travel the world, I like to travel. See what happened to that Roy, whatever his name was, CJ Roy, billionaire. Okay, 57 years, 1 year younger to me. So what is his 150 cars useful for? What is his Lamborghini, Bugatti useful right now? Okay, of course, there's nothing wrong in creating that kind of wealth. But you make a mistake, your life is gone. He could not tolerate it. Whatever is the inner secret, we will not worry about it. But I am telling people, okay, start with a 50. If you are told you don't have the business mindset yet, if you don't have a business mindset yet and you are afraid to invest lakhs of crores of rupees, thousands of dollars, if you are frightened to start a business with 5 lakh or 50 lakh or 5 crore, best to learn the skills of a business and entrepreneur mindset to fail number of times. If you fail more times, it is very, very good, because every failure you will learn something. Your intuition will become very stronger. So fail in small businesses, but yet in this $50 business you won't fail. But even though if you are lazy and you fail, you will understand later that yeah, I was lazy, other people made money. So I want you to start a business with $55 and interact with Abhinandan. There are people, very nice buildings. So I walked most of the places in downtown. So when you join a business, there are people who pay $55 not for Abhinandan. They purchase digital asset. And I'm telling you, my friend, I'm telling you, the best business is earning in USDT. Best business, not trading, not staking, not investing, not buying, okay, not liquidity pool. All that are scams. But only by earning. You're earning your commissions. You're earning through a 100% decentralized, 100% paid out crowdfunding project. I was there in USA for 6 months. I saw the power of crowdfunding. But this crowdfunding is totally different. All other crowdfunding will take 20% commissions and all. But this one is no commissions for the developer. Only his initial money and a very small transaction fees. Again, this is Abhinandan here. I am from Bangalore, India. So this is one of the main avenue in Buenos Aires. You can see that over there at the end it was the landmark road. This is probably more than 20 lanes it is. Okay. So I am from Bangalore. I love traveling the world, earning money in USDT. Okay, I have multiple businesses. But I tell people to start with a $55 business or a $123 business or with a $311 business. Whatever is the dollar amount, you convert it into your local currency. Either you can start with, best is to start with $55 or $123. You will know more about it. This is just like an intro video. Okay, while I'm just going in Buenos Aires, from my first accommodation to my second accommodation. So you have to contact me on WhatsApp, interact with me. Today people have a mental block. The more educated they are, less confidence to speak. Village girls from India are more confident. They send me a message. I want to travel like you, Abhinandan. Your dream, your life is my dream. Same words like some of the girls in USA have used. Okay, or in Colombia. Now coming to the point, I visited earlier in 2024 visited Paris, Barcelona, Belgrade, okay, Romania. In 24 August 28th I came to USA, Washington DC, then I was there in Richmond, Virginia, then 3 months I was there in Miami. On February 25th, 2025, I came to Colombia, Medellin. I was there from February 25th to 2025 till 23rd August 2025. I visited in Medellin for 6 months. I was there, Medellin, Bogota, Cali, and I-Palace. Next time when I go to Colombia, I should go to other cities, including that place, Cucuta. I have to visit and go visit Venezuela also. See, all this you can do with a $55 startup amount, provided you learn to speak with a global affiliate referral business. Now there are some people, they say they want to earn money, but they don't want to do referral business. Referral business is the best business. The best business. When you say business means you have to sell a product or a service and collect people money. But here you are not selling any product or services. You are only sharing the information, point number one, sharing the video, sharing the website, okay, and allowing Abhinandan to educate them. Initially you don't educate. You are like a baby in the business. You don't educate. Abhinandan will educate your contacts, your customers, your clients, your associates. Everyone won't join. That's the law of averages. When a big multinational company puts an advertisement on TV, okay, everyone won't buy. Millions of people watch, but only few people will buy. They always carry a tea like this. This
Mate.
is mate tea. I'll also be taking like this.
Mate tea Argentina.
Argentina. This is Calinta. They put hot water.
Water
See?
caliente.
Okay.
Hierba.
Oh, this is mate?
Mate.
Okay. This is mate powder, a kind of herb. This is a common thing which people will be drinking here. If they don't take marijuana, at least they keep drinking this. This also gives a kind of high. Okay. But pretty girls will be smoking marijuana here with tattoos on their body, beautiful faces, beautiful body with tattoo and smoking marijuana. Anywhere you go in a park or anything like that. Anyhow, so what I was trying to say is, I was there in Colombia for 6 months. Then I visited Peru 2 months. I went to Machu Picchu on October 17th. Bolivia 3 months. Everything went lightning fast. La Paz, then Santa Cruz. I was there for 2 months time. I attended a crypto exchange. I was about to take a residency visa over there. Then I thought, let me visit Argentina, Chile, and Paraguay, and Uruguay, and Brazil also, and then decide. So Buenos Aires is very beautiful. I went around the downtown a lot, walking nearly every day, 14-15 kilometers. Average is 7 kilometers of walking, one side and then other side a 7
Planetario.
Planetarium? Okay. So that's a planetarium. So that's the planetarium over there. But the beauty about these people here, see, he's a Krishna devotee. Am I right? You say Hare Krishna?
Hare Krishna.
Yeah. Hare Krishna. That's why Abhinandan always gets good people. What is dropping me right now is about 25,000 pesos. That is about, I'll tell you. So what is dropping me is more than 45-50 kilometers away at the outskirts of the city, and is dropping me only for about $18. But another person, regular people would have charged me $50. Where is $18? Where is $50? In between is shipping that. So they put hot water every time. And it's like a tea. It's like a tea, am I right?
Tea.
Tea.
Tea mate.
Tea mate it is. So I am speaking to those people who are always skeptical. Abhinandan is always very lucky in meeting the right people at the right time. So, you take initiative, speak to Abhinandan, interact with me. I came here and all. I walked here, it was all very nice place. Huh? Okay. So, contact and speak to me. Today is only February 2nd, 2026. I'll be here for approximately another how many 80 days. I'll visit a lot of other cities. I'll be going to Argentina. Bottom means downside, near Antarctica. It's a place called Ushuaia or something. Okay, and then I'll be going to Chile. So if you seriously start with $55, and after another 2 days time, if you want to earn 6 times faster, and more, it is very good to start with total amount of $311. But if you want, you can start even with $55. I give you, with $55 you start and you earn about $4,000 in 41 days time. I give you a free trip to Malaysia. Okay? There's a time frame. Every day you have to make $100. You have to work daily 2 hours time. It is not simply nothing will come. And Abhinandan is giving you the easiest way. In other companies and all, you should give a business of crores of rupees. In other companies and all, you have to give business for crores of rupees. I know that. When it was in Modi Care, or if you take any of the companies, okay, Amway, Modi Care, or Herbalife, or Vestige, okay, or Usana, or any companies you are doing, or any other investment schemes also you are doing, they tell you have to join with $10,000 to give a 2 days trip to Bangkok. But Abhinandan is telling for you to earn your money. Earn $4,000 in 40 days time, get a trip to Malaysia. But if you start with $311, I give you a trip to Malaysia, China, Colombia and USA. Ask me what is the target. Watch my 2-hour video when your mind is fresh. I have done lot of this kind of, these are called intro videos, trailer videos.
Casino.
Oh, this is casino. Wow.
Hippodromo.
Hippodrome, Argentina. This is a casino.
The rise of horse.
Oh, race club, horse club.
Hey, horse club.
Oh, yeah. Racing club. So this is racing club. See, if you think Bangkok or India or Dubai is fun, this is real fun. I should not say that, but I'm telling on a video. When a country like South American country, either it's Colombia, Peru, Bolivia or Argentina, where they have made prostitution legal. Okay, technically. Even in Bangkok it is not. Okay, but here it is legal. So you just imagine the kind of fun people have when they come. I am a spiritual person, don't ask me. Okay, but those of you, I have friends who go only for that to Bangkok and all. But if you have a mental block, I know a lot of people, they saw the price. Oh, it is 1.5 lakh rupees to come to Argentina. But if you book 3 months before, you start the business, okay, start earning. 3 months before, if you book, it will be 80,000, 90,000 rupees. And I'll tell you how to come in a less amount. So if you do not take initiative, okay, I've seen people asking me for details and vanishing off. When I say you have to pay 201 rupees or 3 USDT, so I can know your accountability, your commitment. Because there are people who are time wasters in India. They are masters in time wasters. I know them, they have not practically achieved anything in their life. But they want to know everything. Like intellectual masturbation. So you know what is masturbation? Pleasure without productivity. In the same way, they have intellectual masturbation. They want to know what it is, but they will never take action. Even if they see thousands of people making money, okay, they won't take action. They want everything free. They are freeloaders. Okay, I am not interested in them. So I cross-check such people by telling them to pay 201 rupees, which I adjust back. The $3 I give it back. So I adjust back or give it back the $3 when you join with $55. So I make it very clear. So visit my website, visit my Facebook page and contact me.